Sending faxes from your computer using HP Smart. You can use HP Smart to send mobile faxes from your Windows 10 or Mac OS computer with ease. From your App Store, download HP Smart. Once installation is complete, open HP Smart. If prompted, sign in with your HP account or sign up to create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. On the home screen, you will see the Mobile Fax tile. If the Mobile Fax tile is not displayed, you can change this by personalizing the app home screen. In Windows, from the lower left of the home screen, click the Settings icon and then select Personalize Tiles. Enable Mobile Fax. If the Mobile Fax tile is not displayed on your Mac, from the menu bar click HP Smart and then select Personalize Tiles. Enable Mobile Fax. Note: Mobile Fax is not available in all countries and regions. If you do not see the Mobile Fax option on the home screen or under Personalized Tiles, Mobile Fax might not be available in your area. For more information, visit hpsmart.com. If you are using Mobile Fax for the first time, a Get Started window will display. Click Get Started to continue. To begin your trial, review the Terms of Service and select the checkbox next to I agree to the Terms of Service. Click Continue. Click Mobile Fax and then click Compose Fax. Click To, and in the Country drop-down box, select the country you are sending the fax to. Type in the fax number and name. To save this information, click Save this contact. Click From to add your details for the fax recipient to contact you. Click on the Country drop-down box to select your country, then type in your phone number and name. To save this information, click Save as a Profile. Add a name for the profile and click Save. You can also type in your business name, email, and fax number. Click Files and Cover Page. Click the button below Add a Cover Page to turn it on. In the subject field, type a heading for your fax. In the message box, add a message to your cover page. To save the cover page as a template, click Save Cover Page Template. Type in a name for the template and click Save. To preview the cover page, click the light blue magnifying glass. You can attach files to your fax. Under the Add Your Files section, click Files and Photos and select the file you would like to fax. You can scan a document or photo with either your printer or webcam and send it as a fax. Under the Add Your Files section, click Scanner. You can now use your printer to scan by following the on-screen instructions. To import a file saved on your computer, click the Import tab. Browse to the file you would like to import and follow the on-screen instructions to edit the file and attach it to your fax. To use your computer's camera to scan a document or photo, click the Camera tab. Follow the on-screen prompts to take a photo and attach it on your fax. To access fax settings and controls, on the top right corner, click Fax Settings. When prompted, click Save as a Draft to save your fax as a draft, or Exit to continue to fax settings without saving the information. To return to the Compose Fax screen, click Cancel. The Fax Settings screen opens. You can now access Mobile Fax settings, contacts, sender profiles, and view cover page templates. To save your work before you finish sending your fax, in the left pane, click Save as Draft. Once you have attached all of your files to your fax, click Send Fax to send it. Click the Playlists tab to find your language. Find official HP support videos.